How to turn off voice assistant in Android. If you want to turn off voice assistant on your Android phone, maybe you have Hey Google setup or Hey Gemini setup or Hey Bixby setup, whatever it is you have, right? Now let's say the most common is Google Assistant. So for that, we'll first of all open up our Google app, not Chrome, but Google app itself. Then what you do is tap on your Chrome profile or your Google profile from the top right hand side, and from here you want to go to this option called settings and just tap on it. From settings, there you can see the option Google Assistant. Tap on it. Then from Google Assistant, at the very top you can see the option voice match. So you can tap on the voice match option, and here you can see Hey Google is currently enabled. So what you do is you simply turn off this toggle and simply turn it off like that. And during driving or anything also, you can go ahead and then turn off that toggle so that Hey Google doesn't get activated. And this is a normal process on how you can turn off voice assistant, especially common for Google Assistant on Android. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.